I have in my hands the real estate market report for January for Ocean Beach, 92107. I'm going to read the statistics so we don't get them wrong, but let's dive into it. New listings in January were 22. That was up 4.8%. Pendings were 10. That was down 28.6%. Closed sales were 10. That was equal to last year. Now, days on the market was 81 days. That was a whopping 131.4%. Homes are staying on the market longer. Average sales price was $2,220,280. Now that was an increase of 47.3%. That sort of doesn't make sense. You have homes longer on the market, but the prices are increasing? Interesting. And the month of supply is 2.3. So that's down 20%. Now, let's talk about townhomes and condos. There were 6 new listings. That was down 57%. Pendings, there were 5. That was up 66.7% from the previous January. Closed sales, there was 4. That was down 60%. Average days on the market was 28. It was only up slightly, 4.4%. Now, average sales price was $823,075. That was an increase of 16.6%. And month of supply for the townhomes and condos was 1.5. So it was down 44%. So that's the interesting statistics. If you think about it, you have homes on the market, not many are coming on, but the average length is longer, but the prices are up. And in townhomes and condos, you have less coming on the market and the sales is still higher. So that says to sellers, if you want to sell your home, look at the market, price it correctly. There are definitely buyers out there. And remember, who you work with matters.